Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change the language in Call of Duty Warzone Mobile. Click on Settings, then Language Select, and now you can select a language you want to set. And then, when you set it, you need to download Language Pack. Wait until this language pack downloads. And now when it's downloaded, you get a notice. Would you like to switch the language? Press on yes if you do. And now you'll need to restart the game to change the language. So let's do it. Let's restart the game. And now you can see that the language of the game has changed. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.